All right, let's learn 3 more words. Here we go. Up first this week is waif, which is a noun meaning a poor or lost soul. Typically, when we use the word waif, you're talking about someone who's really frail, kind of helpless, or childlike. I think of it as like a small, like a homeless child in like a Charles Dickens novel would be a waif. Give me a synonym and an antonym. Hit pause, come up with your own, and then hit play when you're ready to see my words, which are I have orphan or urchin, like a street urchin, right? Versus nobility or the ruler would be the opposite of a waif. Nancy's house always seems to be filled with waifs and strays. There's probably a mom in your social circle where her kitchen table is the warm, welcoming place where everybody gathers, and anybody who's having a problem or just needs a place to sleep for the night, they're welcome at Nancy's house. Leave me a sentence in the comment section below using the word waif. And then second word this week is ghastly. If something is ghastly, it's an adjective, it's causing great horror or fear. Ghastly. Give me a synonym and an antonym. I've got frightful or gruesome versus something that's delightful or comforting or warm. Ghastly, your sentence, the works of Edgar Allan Poe are filled with ghastly images. In fact, I can't believe I get to teach some of these in actual school to young people, like some of his imagery. Oh my goodness, it's ghastly. Give me a sentence in the comment section below, school appropriate, of course, using the word ghastly. And then your third word this week is lucrative. If something is lucrative, it is producing a great deal of money, a lucrative venture. The business launched a lucrative product line, that sort of thing. Give me a synonym and an antonym. I've got profitable or fruitful versus unprofitable or worthless. The investor was always looking for lucrative ventures that would help her become even wealthier. Yeah, I'm thinking of like the Shark Tank, the ABC show, right? Those are investors who are looking for lucrative opportunities. Leave me those 3 sentences in the comment section below, and I'll circle through and comment on some and pick some of my favorite to share. We are almost done, you guys. This is our next to last list of vocab words. I will be back next Wednesday with our very last Words on Wednesday for the school year. Thank you for spending all this time with me. I'll be back on Friday. I've got Freestyle Friday, a little drop of high school English, and of course our last mugshot of the year will be here on Monday, so stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, be awesome. Have a great night, and I'll see you again on Friday. Okay, bye.